Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in with me, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Guys, wow, it's winter time over here in our country and my skin is super dry. That's kind of one of the reasons why you guys can see the title over there. I'm going to be trying the oil cleansing method. So I've read up about it, I've watched some videos on people trying this, and I believe it's not only supposed to obviously moisturize and hydrate your skin and make it smooth, it's also supposed to help remove blackheads. So I don't know if you guys can see, your girl got some blackheads. I done a charcoal mask, the peel one, less than 2 weeks ago. I don't think I filmed it. I done it just on my own, and it's a new product. I don't want to smash the brand. I was not very impressed with the performance of that one because I've done a video some time ago. I used to use the Skin Republic one, and that one worked amazing, guys. When I put the peel on and I'd let it dry and I pull it off and it would pull out the blackheads as well. This one, however, did not do that, so I still have the blackheads. I was not very impressed because it's supposed to be a good brand as well, and I should actually have done a review. I still have of the product. Maybe I should do a review on it, but like I said, I don't want to be slamming brands out there, but maybe I can help someone, or maybe it's worked for someone else, but for me personally it did not work. So I still am sitting with these blackheads. So this oil cleansing method is supposed to help remove the blackheads as well. If you massage for about 5 minutes, people start to see like blackheads literally just popping out or like coming out of the skin, like they rub it out, which is kind of freaky. I'm nervous. I really don't know what can happen. I've never done anything like this, and like I said, my skin is really dry. I've heard some people say that their skin was quite oily after this. So because it's winter here right now, because I have like combination skin in winter time, my skin always is just extra dry. So that's another reason why I'm trying this. So if you want to see how this goes, keep on watching. Okay, so firstly, guys, I scrubbed my face with the Vadi Herbs. This is the Papaya Fairness Scrub Gel with honey and saffron. If you're not familiar with this product, I have done a product review on my channel. I will link it up on one of the sides on the cards for you up here so that you can check that out. So I've scrubbed my face right now and I put nothing else on, and I'm gonna go in. I've watched different videos, like I've mentioned, and I've read different things. They don't say what specific oils you should use. Some people use avocado oil, some people use jojoba oil or yaboba oil, like one of the girls said, something like that. Not sure of the pronunciation. Where I'm from, we just say jojoba oil or whatever. So I will be using the 4th day hyaluronic acid serum, right? I'll be using some serum, and I'll be going in with the Cell Tone Skincare Tissue Oil, and I'm gonna try this out. I know another girl used castor oil as well. I do have castor oil, but I am not very keen to put it on my face because I know that the texture of castor oil is quite thick, almost even. I do, however, know that you need quite a bit of oil because you rub for quite some time, and only from like 5 minutes on people start seeing stuff coming out of their skin, which, like I said, is kind of freaking me out. However, I'm willing to try this, not only for the dry skin but also for these blackheads. I'm gonna give this a go. I don't know in terms of measurements how much or how much I need to use of each, so I'm gonna use the tissue oil. I'm just going to add to my hand. I don't know if you guys can see, a few drops like this. Okay, it's in the palm of my hand, and I'm going to add of the serum. Okay, so this is like 1 pump's worth of the serum, I guess, that I'm adding to the oil. Alright, so I've got this in the palm of my hands and I'm gonna give this a good mix. Wow, interesting. It smells divine. So I'm gonna start on the nose problem area. Let me just grab. Oh, it feels a bit dry actually. Okay. I don't think this is enough, to be honest. So I'm gonna add some more. It feels quite dry. It's like literally my skin is so dry, it's sucking up the oil, guys. How crazy is this? I'm gonna add some more. It's literally seeped into my skin. That's how dry it is. So I'm adding some more. Ooh, this is a bit much. Shucks. Can you have such dry skin? Unbelievable, guys. So I've added another pump. So I'm doing some more. I'm just gonna mix it again on my hands, and hopefully this time it won't just seep into my skin. There we go, that's better. Okay, we've got movement, guys. This is much better. Okay, so I'm supposed to do this for about 5 minutes. And then I'm apparently going to start seeing sebum fall. Oh lord, the word escapes my mind now. I'm not very good with these medical terms, guys. I will put the word at the bottom for you guys. So that's supposed to be coming out after like 5 minutes of rubbing. So I'll fast forward this and I'll catch you guys on the other side. Wow, guys, it's been about 3 minutes now. Besides rubbing out an eyebrow hair, you will not believe. I hope and pray this camera's gonna zoom in on this. I don't know if you guys can see what's happening over here. There are two. I have a tissue here, but I don't want to wipe the oil off my. Come on. I don't want to wipe the oil off my hands. There we go. Can you see that? So here's the other one now. Let me get it on the tissue. I think that's best. And then, was it on my nail? Let me feel my hands. Okay, but this is absolutely crazy. I don't even know what happened to the other one now, guys. So I'll put them on here. I don't know if you guys can see. Crazy, crazy. Let me keep on rubbing and see what happens. Okay guys, so it's been 5 minutes now. I don't know if you can see how red my cheeks and nose area is, because I've been focusing on that area specifically. So firstly, no more of those red things came out that I can feel on my skin. I've lost another 2 eyebrow hairs though, so I've clearly I've started avoiding that area. Otherwise I'll have no more eyebrows left by the time I'm done with this. Okay guys, so I've heated up my wash rag or face cloth and I'm just removing the oil from my skin. It feels amazing, smooth and silky, which is awesome. And because it's nighttime, I will actually just be applying my night cream. So in my opinion, this is definitely an oil cleansing method. It is however not a blackhead removal method. And as you can see, my reason for that is I still have blackheads. Okay, and I don't know if the camera was in focus. So in my honest opinion, I think this was really relaxing. However, because my hands are not used to the motion, my hands got quite numb doing this, and I think that's why I stopped at like 5 minutes. I know that aesthetians I don't know how to pronounce that word, guys. they usually recommend to not rub longer than 15 minutes, so you're actually allowed to go up to 15 minutes, but my hands just couldn't. It was like getting quite numb in here, or stiff rather. So okay, the face cloth is cooling down now, so I don't know if you guys can see how red my cheeks are. Sure, this was really interesting, guys. Like I said, I got like 3 of these little thingies over here, but the blackheads, it's definitely not a blackhead removal method, it's an oil cleansing method. And if you have tried this, please let me know in the comment section below if it's worked for you. If it's worked for you, please let me know what oils and things you've used. Maybe I have not used the correct ingredients or oils, and but that is, I've just used what I thought would work for me, and my skin feels great, guys. Let me just apply my night cream. If I can find it, that'll be great. So I'm gonna add I'll just put on I'm gonna go in with the Johnson's. This is the night cream. It's for even complexion, and I've only switched over. I usually use the Vardy one, right? The all-purpose cream. It's with aloe vera and honey. If you're a regular on my channel, you know that I love that. However, because of the marks that I've had on my skin, I'm just trying to get it clear again, so I'm using more even complexion type products. So hence I'm putting this one on tonight, or have been using this one for a while rather. But that is my experience with this method, guys. So if you're new to my channel and you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the bell so that you get notified when I do upload new content. Thank you once again, and I'll catch you on the next video.